Fire safety is an essential aspect of security for both homes and workplaces. Without appropriate measures, the risk of harm or property damage increases significantly. Fire extinguishers play a critical role in this protective measure, acting as the first line of defense against the start of a fire. Understanding how to use these tools not only enhances safety, but also empowers individuals in times of emergency. In the workplace, fire safety is mandated by various safety regulations and standards, which helps to minimize the risk of fire-related incidents. At home, while regulations might be less stringent, the importance of being prepared is no less critical. Fires can start from simple accidents, often where least expected, and having the right knowledge can make a crucial difference. Educating oneself on the different types of fire extinguishers and their specific uses is a starting point. Beyond just having these extinguishers, knowing how to operate them effectively using techniques such as pass, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, can significantly boost the chances of successfully putting out a fire. This guide aims to demystify the process, making fire safety more accessible to everyone. Understanding fire safety tools and techniques should be everyone's priority. It not only ensures personal safety but also contributes to the safety of others around you. By the end of this guide, you will have a basic understanding of fire extinguishers and how to use them effectively, which can be life-saving knowledge. Fire extinguishers come in various types, each designed to tackle specific classes of fires. Recognizing the right type for a particular fire is crucial for effective firefighting. The primary types include water, foam, dry powder, CO2, and wet chemical extinguishers. Each type has its specific use case, typically labeled on the body of the extinguisher for easy identification. Water extinguishers are effective against fires involving organic materials such as wood, paper, and textiles, making them suitable for many homes and offices. Foam extinguishers, on the other hand, are more versatile, dealing effectively with flammable liquids and solids. They form a blanket over the burning material, cutting off the fire's oxygen supply. Dry powder extinguishers are particularly useful for fires involving flammable gases or metals. These extinguishers work by smothering the fire and cooling the flames. CO2 extinguishers are ideal for electrical fires as they are non-conductive and leave no residue, thus preventing further damage to electrical equipment. Lastly, wet chemical extinguishers are designed for kitchen environments as they are effective against cooking oil and fat fires. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of each type of fire extinguisher is crucial. Proper knowledge ensures that you not only choose the right extinguisher for your environment, but also use it correctly during a fire emergency. This knowledge could be the difference between a minor incident and a devastating disaster. The PASS technique is a simple yet effective mnemonic to remember the steps for using a fire extinguisher correctly. It stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Each step is crucial and must be performed precisely to tackle a fire successfully. This method provides a straightforward approach that can be easily remembered, even under pressure. The first step, pull, involves pulling the pin at the top of the extinguisher, which unlocks the operating lever. Ensuring that the pin is completely removed is crucial as it allows the extinguisher to discharge the extinguishing agent when required. The second step, aim, refers to aiming the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire, not the flames. This is crucial as it targets the fuel source, not just the visible fire. Squeeze the lever gently to release the extinguishing agent. This step needs to be performed calmly and firmly to ensure a steady flow of the agent onto the fire. The final step, sweep, involves sweeping the nozzle or hose from side to side over the base of the fire until it is completely extinguished. This ensures that the fire is attacked evenly and effectively. Practicing the PASS technique can be done in a safe environment to ensure readiness in case of an actual fire. Regular drills and training can help reinforce this knowledge, making it second nature when an emergency arises. This simple technique, when executed correctly, can be incredibly effective in controlling and ultimately extinguishing a fire. Section 4. Placement of fire extinguishers. The placement of fire extinguishers is as important as knowing how to use them. Proper placement ensures that they are easily accessible in the event of a fire, which can save precious time. The recommended practice is to place fire extinguishers near the exit points of a room. This strategy not only makes them easy to access but also helps ensure that individuals can retreat safely if the fire becomes uncontrollable. Extinguishers should be mounted on walls at an easily reachable height, not more than 5 feet above the floor, and should be clearly visible. Avoid placing them behind doors, in closets, or any other hidden areas where they might be difficult to access quickly. In larger spaces, such as warehouses or big offices, multiple extinguishers should be placed at regular intervals to ensure that no area is more than a 30-second walk from an extinguisher. In homes, the kitchen and garage are critical areas where fires are likely to start and should have their own extinguishers. However, it's crucial not to place extinguishers too close to potential fire sources, like stoves and heaters, as this could make them unreachable in the event of a fire. Instead, place them at a door's exit, ensuring they can be accessed safely. Regular checks and maintenance are also crucial to ensure that extinguishers are in good working condition. This involves checking the pressure gauge monthly to ensure it is charged and ready for use, yearly professional inspections, and replacement or refilling as needed. Proper placement and maintenance can dramatically increase the effectiveness of fire extinguishers in an emergency. Section 5. Summary and maintenance tips. Effective fire safety management involves understanding the types of fire extinguishers, mastering the pass technique, and knowing where and how to place extinguishers correctly. By familiarizing yourself with these elements, you can ensure a safer environment at home and in the workplace. Regular training and drills can reinforce this knowledge, making you prepared to act swiftly and effectively in case of a fire. Regular maintenance checks are essential to ensure that fire extinguishers remain functional and effective when needed. This includes a monthly check of the pressure gauge, ensuring it points to the green area, indicating full pressure. It's also important to look for any signs of physical damage, such as corrosion, leakage, or a clogged nozzle, which could impair the extinguisher's performance. Yearly inspections by a certified professional are recommended to perform more detailed checks and maintenance. These experts can perform tasks that might not be obvious but are crucial for the extinguisher's reliability, such as checking the internal chemicals and ensuring they haven't settled or clumped. If an extinguisher is used even partially, it should be refilled or replaced immediately. Embracing these practices not only enhances safety but also instills a culture of readiness and responsibility. Whether at home or in the workplace, being proactive about fire safety can prevent disasters and save lives. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in fire safety.